Good morning, students. Today I am going to focus about the main points of the lesson, The Portrait of a Lady, which I taught yesterday for class 11th English subject. Students, the main points of lesson are as under, which I am just going to explain before you step by step, one by one. First point is the portrait of a lady. What is the concept of the portrait of a lady? In this story, narrator Khushwant Singh is indicating a photograph which is hanging inside his house, which is related to his grandmother, and he is describing all the qualities of her grandmother through this story. Second point is some lines about Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh was a famous journalist, writer and a novelist. Khushwant Singh is an Indian writer who tried to maintain the character sketch of his grandmother in the chapter The Portrait of a Lady very beautifully, very accurately. Third point is the portrait of lady has the theme of, what is the theme of this chapter, this lesson, this story, the portrait of a lady? The main theme of this story is innocence, friendship. There is a friendship, very deep relationship between the Khushwant Singh and his grandmother. It has been described in this chapter. Next is love. What should be the actual love, real love between the grandmother and grandson? It has been manifested in this chapter very accurately, very correctly. Next one is kindness and selflessness. The feeling of kindness has been presented by narrator's grandmother many times in this lesson, and respect is one of the most important part of the life. If a person has no sense of respect in his life, he is not better than the wildest. So in this story, Khushwant Singh is presenting the sense of respect as well as his grandmother has already presented the same things before him at first. Next point is character sketch of his grandmother. In this story, basically Khushwant Singh has presented the character sketch of his grandmother from childhood life till the post-graduation, till the education of post-graduation, step by step, and that indicates the sentimental touch, sentimental feeling in the narrator's life. Next point is significance of the title. What is the significance of the title? What is the importance of the titles? The titles Portrait of a Lady modifies that, beautifies that. The entire story moves through this significant lines, the portrait of a lady, because narrator Khushwant Singh is manifesting, is indicating about the quality of his grandmother through indicating the photographs step by step. Next point is turning point of their friendship, means turning point between the life of Khushwant Singh as well as his grandmother. When narrator was well settled in city, means firstly narrator parents were well settled in city, then he was called by his parents along with his grandmother, and when he got the golden opportunity to get the education in university level, then he was completely disconnected to his grandmother, and that was the turning point in the life of grandmother, because the grandmother was not getting the time to motivate her grandson. Next point is what made the grandmother unhappy in the city. This is the very important point, that what was the actual reason behind that why grandmother became sad. Because what were the circumstances in the village area that was totally changed in the city. In city, grandmother was unable to support the narrator in the field of his study, and that's why she was frustrated, and we can say that she was unhappy also. Next point is happiest moment of grandmother life. When narrator returned from abroad after completing his education, that was the happiest time for the grandmother. And last is very sentimental and heart-touching story. Absolutely, we can say that the Portrait of a Lady, written by Khushwant Singh, is a very sentimental story. This story is indicating sentimental feeling, emotional feeling of narrator, and really it has been modified, it has been described very clearly before the reader. So student, in today's class I tried to explain the main points of the story step by step, which has been indicated by Khushwant Singh, and these points are giving the importance of this story, what the real value, what the actual value of this story. Through these points you can understand very clearly and correctly. Thank you.